Since our society has entered into the era of information, the digitalization and intelligence of industrial transformation have become the trend of development. Advanced technologies such as innovation in intelligent equipment manufacturing, underlying algorithm control applications, and technological innovation in human-computer interaction have continued to emerge, driving intelligent manufacturing forward. To seize the historical opportunity, XSTO Company Limited was established. The company is located in the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau, Greater Bay Area, where intelligent manufacturing is flourishing. XSTO is engaged in the research and development of motion control system and intelligent material handling equipment, and also provides integrated solutions for the industry. Its products are mainly divided into three series: the Medical Mobility Series, Material Handling Automation Series, and Motion Control Product Series. Adhering to the concept of persistent improving and pursuit of excellence, we provide people with mobility impairments with safe and reliable travel products to solve various difficulties encountered in the travel process. For the material handling industry, we provide brand new innovative products and distribution solutions to solve problems in logistics and transportation, and solve the pain points such as loading and unloading, stacking, crossing obstacles, and climbing stairs. Providing the optimal intelligent drive control system and solution for various venue vehicle companies to solve the motor drive control problem with large load fluctuations. Staying true to our original aspiration and founding mission. Until now, XSTO has built a number of domestic R&D centers and has obtained more than 100 patents, a number of software copyrights, and more than 30 types of trademarks. It has passed the ISO 9001 and ISO 1345 quality system certification, and business covers more than 60 countries and regions around the world, and has become a high-tech enterprise integrating with R&D, production, sales, and service. In a boat race, those who row the hardest will win. In the future, opportunities and challenges coexist. XSTO will shoulder the corporate mission, ride the wind and waves in the field of intelligent manufacturing, and move forward bravely.